Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we will be setting up Node-RED for the EdgePi. Node-RED is an open source flow-based visual development tool that will allow you to program your EdgePi without writing a single line of code. To get started, you'll need to install a version of Node.js for your computer. It's recommended that you install version 16 of Node.js, which will be linked in the description. Once Node.js has installed, SSH to your EdgePi with PuTTY. Before we install Node-RED, we need to install the EdgePi RPC server. There are a lot of commands that you'll need to run, so to make things simple, they've been written out for you in the description of this video so you can easily copy and paste them. You can also find a link to the EdgePi wiki, where all these steps can be followed in greater detail. First, get the public GPG key and add it to your keyring. Add the Debian repository to apt sources. Update apt. And finally, install the EdgePi RPC server. And to check if the server is running, we can type in that last command. Now to install Node.js and Node Version Manager on the EdgePi, we'll need a command line tool like curl or wget. These commands are also copyable from the description. Install curl in Node Version Manager. To verify the installation, you can run node-v and npm-v. Now we'll finally install Node-RED on the EdgePi. To install Node-RED on your Windows computer, open Command Prompt and verify that Node and Node Package Manager are installed from earlier. Finally, install Node-RED. It is now ready to be used. Run Node-RED by running the command node-red. Access the editor by opening your internet browser and entering this URL. Lastly, click this icon in the corner and click on Manage Palette. Go to the Install tab and search for EdgePi. These are all the EdgePi nodes that you can install. Once you've installed them, you're ready to begin programming. That's all for today's video. Remember, a more detailed version of this tutorial is available on the wiki, link in description.